Do these two words confuse you? Let's learn the difference between affect and effect. Okay, too long didn't watch. To affect something is to have an effect on it. Affect is a verb and effect is a noun. So let's get into it. I said affect is a verb. It's an action word. Someone did something. The lockdown affected the economy. It did something. It produced a change. Effect is a noun. It's a thing. You can count effects. The economic effects were small business closings and interruptions in the supply chain. Let's look at another couple of examples. The CEO's decision affected all of us. It did something. It did something to us. And that something or some things is the effects. The effects were low morale and mass resignations. The intended effect of this medicine is pain relief, but possible side effects are dizziness and drowsiness. It can affect you badly. Now, these words trip you up because obviously they are so close in spelling and meaning and sound, but you can use corny tricks to try to remember them. Try lining up the A's and E's in pairs of sentences like, apples affect me, the effect is energy. Or alcohol affects me. The effect is enjoyment. How about a little quiz to make sure you got all that? Just 4 questions. This law has had disastrous effects on us. The effects of this curriculum are evident from the test scores. How will this change affect us? The heavy rainfall has affected the commute. So that's the majority of the mystery behind these words, but I can't get away without mentioning, because you will probably realize this yourself, these words also have other meanings. Affect can also be a noun, meaning something like demeanor or the impression someone gives off. The patient had a flat affect. And effect can also be a verb, meaning to accomplish something or to pull something off, as in, the prisoner effected his escape in the dark of night. But you'll encounter those words less frequently. These are the ones that will confuse you because they are so close in meaning. And one final thing, if you've forgotten everything you learned about verbs and nouns, try to let those words stick in your head as I teach these lessons. If you can get your head around subjects and verbs, and every sentence has to have a subject and a verb, then you can solve the vast majority of your problems with English. So if something is affecting you badly, a law, a diet, a mistake someone made, you can complain about it with confidence. Or if you have something nifty that will have a beneficial effect on people who buy it or use it, then you can promote it with confidence.